We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright.
Hey everyone, welcome back and welcome if you're new. My name is Kimi and today I have an instant clean for you. Also, there were quite a few of you that did say in the comments that you do want to see my oils collection, so I have organized them between tree scents, citrus scents, and herbs. And I could not believe that the majority of my oils come from herbs because I'm a citrus and a woodsy girl, but you never know. So I will share those with y'all when we get done with the cleaning, and then I will read off some of your comments from the last video. Keep in mind, I do film videos a week in advance, so if you leave a comment now, I'll probably won't be able to get to it until next week, but I just want to keep it rolling and make sure y'all are able to see 3 videos a week from me. So I'm going to go ahead and get to cleaning. As you saw, I need to do my living room. I also have some laundry to fold. Let's get to cleaning, shall we?
I got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold yet warm when you hold me, when you close. I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray. Something that's real. With you I get that. You're like a lighthouse in a dream, really distant but your beam is guiding me home. So cold yet warm when you hold me, when you close. I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray. It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you, drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking. If it's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud 9. Baby, I adore you. I try to focus on breathing. skipping a beat. Your lips against a red cup makes me lose my mind completely. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking it. It's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you, yeah, I'm feeling high and high, I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you, adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you.
Chloe sounded like she was about to start barking. I had to tell her no. Anyways, okay, so now to the oils, and I do excuse my wash machine. I'm sorry. I wasn't thinking when I turned it on. I just wanted to wash clothes. Okay, so a lot of you have asked where I got my diffuser. I got it from Young Living. Now, hear me out. I was wanting to make a little extra money on the side. You know how it goes. I joined an MLM thinking that it was going to be possible. I signed up my mom and one of my friends, and that was it. And I regret very much doing so. Not because of me, but because I signed up 2 people and I felt responsible for their loss or potential loss in money. I am 100% firmly against joining an MLM and supporting MLMs. You can hear the passion in my voice. And that is because I've lost money doing it, and also because the structure of the business is set up to where if you join, you will lose money, because at the end of the day, the distributor is the consumer, or else they wouldn't need distributors to distribute product. So yeah, that is why I do not want to suggest that you buy this exact diffuser, because you would have to sign up for Young Living to do so. But I will say this, you can try your best to find this on eBay. It is just their regular, it looks like this. It changes colors. It has 3 settings, so you may be able to find the diffuser by itself on eBay from someone like me that doesn't do Young Living anymore, so you could try that. The other option, I will do my best to find a diffuser similar to this and link it down below for y'all in case you're looking for one, and I'll try to like do some in different kind of price ranges. That way, if you don't want to spend $90 for a diffuser, you definitely don't have to. There's some really good ones out there that are like 30 bucks, 20 bucks. So I will put a range of them down below for y'all. And I'll try to find ones that change the colors, because I think that may be why y'all like mine, because it changes colors, which is really cool. So here are my oils. There are people that have much bigger oil collections than me, but y'all said y'all wanted to see my oils, so I'm gonna squat down a bit so you can actually see them. Of course, I still do have some Young Living oils left, but as you can see, since then I have bought from regular brands that are just online or in store. Like all of these were from Ollie's, if it will focus, and it's so hard to read what the brand is, so I have no idea, but I did get them in a set of 20 at Ollie's for like $20, I think, or maybe it was a set of like 14, I'm not sure. But I'll start from down here. I have all of my herbal, like floral scents, so bergamot, lemongrass, mint, spearmint. I love mints. Cinnamon is really good in the fall and winter to diffuse. Sage, nutmeg. Lavender, of course, is really good for calming, so I'll do that in the morning if I'm stressed, or I'll also do it at night if I need to rest but my brain is just still wired. Rosemary. These are really good cleansing. So like if you wanted to use these for cleaning, you could use rosemary, you could use sage, you could use any kind of mint you want in citrus. Clove would be good for that. Okay, so rosemary, cinnamon bark. Good night, which has like ylang ylang and lavender in it. Peppermint, clove, oregano. See, when I was in Young Living, they told us that we could put these in our food, and that's why I have so many like spices. I would highly not suggest, now that I'm aware, to put any types of oils inside your body. You can dilute them and put them on your wrist if you want to, but please do not ingest these oils. They're highly concentrated and they're not FDA approved. So, okay, another peppermint wintergreen. So a lot of oils that I would diffuse, like all these right here, I would diffuse during this time of year when, you know, you have cold season. And I will not suggest, you know, replacing your cough medicine for oils, but it does help kind of clear your nose out. So I'm trying to be very aware that oils are not a replacement for any kind of medical needs. They are just an aid, you know, and a boost of mentality, really. So peppermint, wintergreen, rosemary, sweet orange. I love the citrus, so we're getting into citrus. Orange, this is from Grove. Mandarin, lemongrass, lemon, grapefruit, and peppermint. Cedarwood. Oh my goodness, if you love woodsy flavors, scents, then these are for you. Cedarwood, blue cypress, mountain savory. This one's very strong. Tea tree. I've never used this one because I have a dog, and supposedly tea tree is not good for pets. Eucalyptus, and repel, which is a citronelle for going outside so the mosquitoes don't get you. But you could put tea tree in your hair if you have dogs or cats and you don't want to upset them. You could just use this for your hair. So those are all of my oils. Alright, so those are all my oils. I do get most of them now from just like a regular store, or sometimes I will go on Grove Collaborative's website, which is always linked down below, my referral link. And I will also go online to edensgarden.com, and you can just go on there, purchase your oils. I think they have some other stuff too, like soaps and maybe shampoo, stuff like that. It's similar to Young Living, except for it's not an MLM. So if you're looking for an oils company, but that you can just go on their website and order stuff without having any strings attached, Eden's Garden is a really good place for that. But let me go ahead and get into these comments, or else this is not going to be an instant clean with me. I feel like the video is probably already kind of long because I like to talk to y'all. But Anna said, hello, I love your channel and also the music. I'm interested in the music and artists. Also, I really love it. So all of my music is from epidemicsound.com. It is $15 a month if you want to use it in videos, but I think you may be able to go on there and just listen to music as if it were like a Spotify. But if you want to download it, be sure that you pay for it first. I think it's worth it. I've not had any issues with Epidemic Sound, and I've been using them for a pretty long time now. I know my videos only go back so far, but it's because I deleted hundreds of videos from where I used to be a reseller, and so I've used Epidemic Sound for a long time. Okay, so then the Paper Luna, hi. She said, can you share where you bought your diffuser and oils? So we already went over that, but I just wanted to say hey. Lisa said, hi Kimmy, I am a traditional housewife too, being a housewife is one of the toughest and most rewarding jobs out there. Love your videos, and I appreciate that so much, and hopefully that speaks to a lot of y'all, that if you are a housewife, know that it is a job and it is a big responsibility, and please feel like empowered by that, you know, because it is very important, especially, you know, like for me, the reason why I take so much pride in it, I guess, is because my husband is gone all day at work, and he is a tree foreman, so he has a very labor intensive job. So when he comes home, I don't want him to have to worry about cooking dinner or doing dishes or doing laundry. He would if I didn't, but I don't want him to have to do that, because he's already done enough that day that I just want him to be able to rest. I can take breaks in and out throughout the day, so I don't feel like I need a rest period other than sleeping and resting for like 15-20 minutes throughout the day, if that makes sense. But I feel like he needs that rest period where he can just sit and watch TV or do whatever he wants to do, which a lot of times he doesn't even do that. He'll sit down, he'll eat, then he'll go outside and work on something. So he's always moving around. But Home with the Howards said, same here. I'm so sorry about wash machine. Excuse me, you're too loud, lady. Anyways, let me get up closer. Home with the Howards said, same here, eggs and ground beef. I thought I was crazy. I'm always like, something's hung up in my throat after eating that. Laugh out loud. Love your videos. Do I channel y'all when I read your comments, or am I totally off? I don't know. I hope so. But yeah, a lot of you said you're a traditional wife, and so I think that's really cool. And there was one of you that said that you fix the plates, but your husband does the drinks, and I think that's awesome. My mom also, like, I don't think she made my dad do that, but I know when she was fixing the plates, all the kids were fixing the drinks, so it is teamwork. So anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will see you back here in the next one, and yeah, I hope you also enjoyed the 1 hour clean with me that I uploaded Friday. So if you haven't already seen that, it will be at the end of this video. But for now, I will see y'all back here on Wednesday.
When
Bye.
we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.